Hello everyone, today's recipe is eggless chocolate brownies. Let's begin. So first I'm going to soak the almonds. For that I'm taking 1 tablespoon of almonds. Into that I'm adding salt to taste and around 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. Now I'm going to grease my pan. I like using a loaf pan, but you can also use a 9-inch square cake pan. And now I'm going to grease it with some oil and place a parchment paper. And again brush some oil. Now in a pan, I'm adding half cup of salted butter, before the butter melts, I'm going to add half cup of milk compound, melt both of these together. This is done. Transfer this into a bowl. Into that, I'm going to sieve in 1 cup whole wheat flour plus 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. I have mixed both of them. Half teaspoon of baking powder plus 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, natural unsweetened. Give it a mix. Now add half cup of lukewarm milk. I suggest you use a spatula, otherwise you'll end up making your brownies dense and heavy. I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Also, the almonds which we have soaked, I have toasted them in my frying pan and then crushed them with a mortar and a pestle. If you like your brownies to be chewy, you can also add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the crushed almonds. Give it a mix. And now transfer it into my cake pan. Top it with some more almonds. Pat twice and then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. This is done. See, the brownies are so spongy. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.